our Excel models. So the typical business valuation practice, according to one of the latest surveys, I think this was from the BVR survey, has about 2 to 3 partners and between 7 and 9 analysts, including in additional 2 of support administrative staff. However, the median business valuation practice has just a staff of 2 to 3 people. So that means that if we have right now a valuation analyst with an average salary anywhere between $65K to $80K, depending on how big the practice is and where you're located, the rates obviously may vary. And let's say if you have 100 clients per year, if you're a smaller boutique firm, you get 5 years of tax returns per each client. And that manual effort, at least based on my experience, ranges anywhere from 2 to 6 hours, depending on the quality of data, how clear the numbers are, depending on how experienced the staff is that's entering that manual data. So you end up per year spending anywhere from 200 to 600 hours on average. Well, using those average rough rates per hour, that ends up being to almost over $20,000 per year per analyst. So 10 to 30 almost % of their time is spent simply entering manual data. But if we think about it, we don't need somebody with a college degree even to enter manual data. It's just you see it on the page and you transfer it on the page. Does it really validate spending so much time in manual effort when we as valuation professionals really need to be spending time analyzing the data, creating robust, comprehensive reports, doing the market research, and providing valuable advice to our clients? So using automated technology tools such as Nambri TaxXL, we can significantly accelerate that process. On average, for 5 years of tax returns, it takes about 3 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes per client to get the data from PDF tax form into an Excel, something that's usable and you can continue on with your analysis from that point on. So that's just from $150 to maybe $200 cost. So you can see that significant difference in using a manual effort versus utilizing a tool that's available to us to enhance our analysis. Taking it a step further, according to the latest IBIS World Report, a revenue per employee is roughly $128,000. So if we can layer in that 20% improvement, we can see that enhanced productivity, as well as the positive reflection in the revenue per the employee. And the more employees you have, the greater that improvement proposition is.